Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one starts at $1,200. Now I'm not going to waste your time going through the specs. You already seen me unbox this one. Today we're talking about colors. Now y'all know this one comes in Phantom Black, Burgundy, Phantom White, and Green. But you also got the Samsung.com exclusive colors, Graphite, Sky Blue, and Red. Now this is the phone I've been waiting for all year, so let's get into this. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Now for this video, one of my homeboys sent me a little gift from MedfordKnife.com, specifically for this unboxing. Oh, and of course, White Shoes knows quality. Ladies and gentlemen, kind of late, but still great. White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes.
I love my white.
Calm down. Okay, here we go. MedfordKnife.com. Okay, now this is the Medford guy. Let's see what it comes with. Okay. This is sticker, patches. Okay, we got the Velcro patch. MedfordKnife.com. Go ahead and check them out. Well, we got a new little unboxing knife. Now look at this one. America. All right, this is America. MTK. Oh, what is that? Oh, MTE? Okay, whatever. Let's see how to flick. Woo! Now this is a nice little hawk right here. This is going to be my EDC knife. Okay, here we go. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5 Gangster Alpha Omega Supreme, a.k.a. Galactus. This is the phone I've been waiting for. Now, on a side note, y'all hear me complain to Samsung about color choices for the last couple of years. Red is my favorite color. And Samsung has a habit of bringing out red phones for budget phones. Y'all remember the little A series? Or red phones for mid-range phones. Y'all remember the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, which is still a heavy hitter. But they never bring out a red phone for a flagship. This is it. Now, as far as the presentation, nothing fancy. The only difference I see in the box, here's the black version, Wesley Snipes. The red one does have the Samsung exclusive colors. So if you look closely, you see the red, graphite, and sky blue. Okay, here we go. One more. All right, shout out to Jake. All right, this knife is pretty lit. All right, Shoes, you better watch those whiskers. All right, here we go. Okay, now inside the box, of course, you get nothing. Woo! The red just hit my peripheral. Okay, hold up. Now, is that red or orange? I got to take a closer look. Some ejection tool, usual books and shit. That's about it. No charge in the box. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Okay. All right, now, I got to be brutally honest with y'all. This is more like a burnt orange. Here's the red Galaxy Note 10 Lite. I got to keep it real with y'all. I'm a little disappointed. I'm a little bit disappointed. I know. Now, let me show y'all something real quick. If you take it over to the website, it does have that burnt orange kind of look to it. So I wasn't expecting it to be fire engine, cherry red. I was just hoping that maybe the color scheme was off on the website. But no, it is more of a burnt orange. Now, if you go to Samsung.com right now and you try to order this one, I think the next delivery date is April 26th. So is it worth that wait? I don't think so. Maybe for the graphite or the blue, but this red one is really more of an orange. Let's see the S Pen. Okay, same thing. Okay. I'm going to keep it real. I'm a little underwhelmed. Am I still going to rock it? Of course. All right, of course, I do like it. Let me drop some of the, let's see how it looks with a UAG case. Okay, with the pink UAG case. Okay, now it does kind of look a little bit more red. So this might be the cheat code right here. Get a pink UAG case. Let's see, how about a clear case? Let's throw in a clear UAG. Okay, oh, look, with the clear UAG, yeah, it definitely highlights the orangeness of the color tone. Okay, let's pop this off real quick. Let me see, any other cases I need to drop on? Let's see, what about a red UAG? Let's see how this one looks. Yeah, you see the difference in the red? Now, these are some of my favorite cases, so I will be rocking these on the daily. Let's go ahead and pop this one off real quick. This is the Monarch, the big boy. Yeah, so y'all already seen all of these cases, so no need to go through those real quick. But yeah, this is it. This is the red Galaxy S22 Ultra 5 Gangster Alpha Omega Supreme, aka Galactus. Now, I want to show y'all one more thing. All right, let's gonna look at the difference in the red one more time. So if you're on the fence about getting this red one, just be prepared to get orange. I don't know what they should have called this one burnt orange, because this is definitely not a red. It's a totally different. Look at the 3 red phones I got on the table. You can clearly see the difference in the reds. I'll let this rock for a second so y'all can see it. Now, before I get out of here, I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. I did want to answer a couple of questions and talk about a few things real. Let me stop saying real quick, because when I say real quick, that means I'm going to start raging out. A lot of people have been asking me about this. All right, first, you see the always on display, don't touch my phone. Okay, y'all see that? You see the little light, little demon face that popped up behind it? That's pretty cool. And then once you activate, you see the live wallpaper. Bang. A lot of people have been asking me how to get this kind of stuff. I'll leave a link for that right there. If you want to see a bunch of Galaxy Watch faces, well, not for this watch, but a bunch of Galaxy Watch faces and a bunch of these live wallpapers. But just in case you ain't got time for that shit, let me show you how to do that real quick. That's my last time saying real quick. All right, so you're going to pinch out. You're going to go to Wallpapers and Style. You're going to swipe down, hit Explore More Wallpapers, right? Then you're going to go to Top. Then you're going to hit All, and you're going to hit Paid. Now, if you go to All, you'll see all of them. But the really nice ones, they're going to cost you about $1 or $2 at max. So here's a nice one right here. And one of the things I like about this is once you click in it, you can get a little preview before you buy it. And it'll show you exactly how it's going to look on your phone. Okay, so let's exit out of that one. Now, if you find one that's dope, my advice would be scroll down and then go to more from that company. Because if they made that dope one, then chances are they got a few dope ones on deck. So if y'all like this one, y'all remember the New York City, we hit apply, set on lock screen. Now you can also change the color palette. I'll skip that, exit out of that, and now we should have the New York live wallpaper. Okay, again, real simple. Pinch, Wallpapers and Style. Okay, I'll do that from the start one more time. Wallpapers, go to Explore More, Top, hit All, hit Paid, and keep it pushing. Now, here's some of my favorite ones that I can tell you that I already used. So if you don't want to take time going through all of them, check out Speed Car. All right, Speed Car is epic. Check out the this one right here. What's the name of this one? Unforgettable City Series, Midnightscape of New York City. That one is lit. Of course, the Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty at Night. That's the actual name of it. This one is dope. It's called Airport Approach Landing. That's how it looks. That's the one I usually drop on when I'm going out of town. Let's see. There's a few more. If you watch that video that I made, I actually showed a whole bunch of them in action. But again, the key is like this one. Now, when I go to Vegas, I usually drop this one on. Vegas City Strip. That one just looks dope. You see the waterfall, the Bellagio on deck. You know what I'm saying? Now, I already bought this one, so I can just hit download and then slap it on. Now, here's how fast it takes to actually buy one and drop it on. Okay, complete and download, hit apply. Set on lock screen. Now, I will apply the color palette and we'll exit out of these. Now, again, if you find one that looks dope like this, scroll down to more. And you see all of the ones that I just named, they all from the same company. So we'll hit exit out of that. And here's how it looks. Oh, I got my face unlocked. Let me not look at it. You see the waterfalls? The water fountain. the water fountain. All right, so that's pretty dope. Now, also, I got the Xiaomi Super Wallpaper. Shout out to my homeboy from Instagram. He reminded me about those. you could download the APKs for those. So just go online, put in Xiaomi Super Live, what is it called? Super Wallpaper APK, and download it to your Android phone. And that's the ones that look like this. You see on all of my Xiaomi phones. Let me just open this one up real quick so I can see what it looks like. This is the Super Wallpaper. Let's go home, bang, like that. So you see how I'm getting that same effect of the planet? Now you can do that on your Galaxy phones also. Only thing with that is some of the APKs don't have always on display. So you'll just get the actual wallpaper. Pretty dope. Nevertheless, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5 Gangster Alpha Omega Supreme, aka Galactus. I'm pretty sure this color will grow on me. I just wish it was this red. Samsung, please Samsung, give us this red again. Okay, I don't know why they chose to go with this oranges. I don't know. Now let me say one more thing. Y'all know this is a community channel. I respect my community. I'm doing my full review tomorrow. Now, the reason I wanted to wait until I get my retail version is because whenever I get the pre-release versions, sometimes they have a little bit of bugs, which this one did absolutely have. The battery was a little bit suspect. So I want to just do a quick test between the two and see if I'm having the same issues. I was having a little buggy issue with the sound. So we'll see. So I'm going to do all that testing today, and I'm going to do my full real review tomorrow. Wednesday at the latest. But I got an email from Samsung, so my Galaxy Tab S8 Tab Ultra should be here tomorrow or the day after. The keyboard is one of them. I didn't check the email, but one of them is the keyboard and one of them is the tablet. They come in one day apart. So one is coming tomorrow, one is coming on Thursday. So Thursday, I'm going to do the Tab S8 Ultra review. But tomorrow, I'm going to do my full review on this phone. Now is your chance to go to the comment section and let me know if there's anything specific y'all want me to talk about besides my usual stuff. And let me know your gripes and your likes. Now, you already know my likes and dislikes. If you watch any of my Samsung videos, they're probably going to be the same. Y'all seen that trash presentation. The battery in this one, not the best. Speakers, not the best. You know, there's a few more bugs, a few more things that I want to talk about. But if you want your gripes to be known, and maybe you don't have a voice to reach Samsung like I do, because I know Samsung be peeping my videos on the low, leave it in the comments. I leave all of your gripes, and if there's something substantial that I think is worth mentioning, I'll mention it. Okay, trust me. Like I said, I'm all about the community. Let me know what y'all hate, and let me know what y'all love too. Samsung Galaxy. I gotta say it one more time. I just love saying that. Now, when you get yours, don't be walking around talking about, oh yeah, I got the Galaxy S22. You don't have to do that. Just be like, yo, bro, I got Galactus. Or just be like, bro, I got a 5 Gangster. This is the new 5 Gangster. If you got the Galaxy S21 Ultra, that is not the 5 Gangster anymore. Okay, that's the Thanos. All right, that's the Thanos version. This is Galactus. This is the Galaxy S22 Ultra 5 Gangster Alpha Omega Supreme, aka Galactus. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.